hospitalization for you or your family members is mentally, physically, and emotionally draining. The last thing you would want to do is to run around to get your insurance claim settled. Panic, isn't it? Don't worry, we've got your back with your corporate group Mediclaim policy. Your corporate group Mediclaim policy offers cashless benefit. With this benefit, you don't have to worry about cash. Your hospital bills are settled directly by the insurance company with the hospital. Let us look how. Cashless hospitalization can be availed only in the network hospitals. To avail cashless benefit, make sure you find the network hospitals nearest to you beforehand so that in case of emergency, you know where to go. To get the list of network hospitals, visit TPA website or contact your Alliance Relationship Manager. At the time of hospitalization, carry patient health ID, photo ID such as Aadhaar or PAN card, all consultation papers and reports to the hospital. Approach hospital TPA help desk or insurance desk and fill in cashless application. For planned treatments, it is always recommended to approach hospital 72 hours before admission and initiate claim process. For emergency cases, contact TPA desk within 24 hours for sending cashless request. You may be required to pay certain security deposit based on hospital's protocol, which will be refunded later once the cashless claim is settled. It takes TPA 3 to 4 hours to process cashless request once received from the hospital. TPA then scrutinizes the claim as per policy coverage. TPA authorizes initial of approximately 30 to 40% of estimated cashless amount and sends confirmation to the hospital after receipt of complete documents. Next, at the time of discharge, hospital sends final bill and discharge summary to the TPA for final authorization. Make sure you pay for any non-medical expenses and sign relevant documents before discharge. Hospital then sends original claim file to TPA. TPA processes the claim and insurance company makes payment to the hospital. Here, your cashless settlement is complete. After this, you can approach the hospital for refund of deposit if any. For any reason, if you take treatment in non-network but registered hospital, your claim will be processed under reimbursement claim. Let us see the process for a reimbursement claim. For reimbursement hospitalization, intimate your hospitalization details to your Alliance Relationship Manager, your HR or TPA via email within 24 hours of admission. Once discharged, submit all the original claim documents along with duly filled claim form to your HR, Alliance Relationship Manager or TPA within 15 days of discharge. TPA then checks whether the claim is as per the policy coverage. In case of any additional documents required, TPA will email you a deficiency letter. Once your claim is approved, the amount gets transferred to corporate or employee's bank account. In case of rejection, a rejection reason is emailed to you followed by a letter. Here, your reimbursement claim process is complete. For any further queries, feel free to get in touch with your Alliance Relationship Manager. We are happy to be partnered with our esteemed clients. Thank you.